Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add phone number in Google Meet. First of all, open the Google Meet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to this type of page. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger menu at top left corner and a menu will slide onto your screen. Inside it, tap on Settings and the Settings window will open up. Here, select the Call Settings tab and then tap on Calling Account at the top to access your Google Meet call settings. As you can see, I have already added a phone number to my Google Meet account, but I will walk you through the process. In your case, there will be a Add Phone Number button instead of Change. So simply tap on it and you will be asked to enter your contact info. Once you are done, save the settings and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.